Oh, like right here?
Yeah.
Straight?
Yeah.
Like right here?
Yeah.
You're crazy, right?
So just 1 foot on there and then hop over to that other one that's out there.
Are you nuts?
Yeah, and then you want to come across through here because there's a big old boulder right here that supports a lot of them. You can get up here. Just, oh, come on. Whoosh. Just don't fall.
Whoa, that's rolled.
Yeah, it's rolly. Okay, I couldn't span that. I should have told you it was rolly. So then you gotta get to this one here. Yeah, that one. Good. So now you're safe. Hold on.
Man, I'm a little stumbling. Woo. This thing's moving.
Yeah, so we went through that way, but I want to look at this.
Well, it looks like it's floaty. It's definitely moving. I feel like a logger. Oh man, that's crazy. This shit's crazy, man.